Hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to Listen and Learn, where learning is not just the goal, it's a journey. I'm your English learning friend, and in today's class, we'll uncover how to stay motivated, even when studying feels boring, tough, or confusing. So, grab your notebook, sit comfortably. Do you ever feel like giving up while learning something new? Maybe you start with excitement, but after a few days, you lose interest. Don't worry, you're not alone, because today in Listen and Learn, we are going to talk about something that can completely change the way you learn: how to stay motivated every day in learning. Let's begin. Do you ever feel like giving up while learning something new? Maybe you start with excitement, but after a few days, the energy fades away. Don't worry, you're not alone. Because today on Listen and Learn, we'll explore how to stay motivated every single day in your learning journey. Welcome back, beautiful learners. I'm your English learning coach, and this is Listen and Learn, where learning becomes simple, inspiring, and full of purpose. Let's begin our first step: understanding motivation. Motivation is not magic. It's not just a burst of energy you get after watching a YouTube video. Motivation is your inner reason, the why behind your actions. Think about this. Two students, Alex and Sam, start learning English. Alex learns because his teacher told him to. Sam learns because he wants to communicate confidently with the world. Who will stay motivated longer? Of course, Sam, because his purpose is personal. Lesson 1. Find your why. If you know why you're learning, you'll never lose motivation. Write down your why today. That's your fuel for tomorrow. Now that you know what motivation really means, let's face a tough truth. Motivation doesn't last forever. You feel excited one day, and the next you feel lazy, distracted, or tired. But why does that happen? Let's break it down. 1. Lack of clear goals. When your goal is too big or unclear, your brain feels lost. Example: I want to be fluent in English. That's great, but how? Instead, say, I'll learn 10 new words every day. Small goals keep your motivation strong. 2. No visible progress. When you don't see quick results, your brain feels demotivated. That's normal. Learning is like growing a tree. It takes time before the fruit appears. Trust the process. 3. Comparing yourself to others. You see someone speaking fluently and feel, I can never be like that. Stop comparing your day 1 to someone's year 5. Everyone has their own pace. 4. Lack of routine. Motivation fades when there's no habit to support it. That's why we need to move from motivation to something stronger: discipline. Here's a big secret that successful learners know. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you going. Motivation is emotion-based. It changes daily. But discipline is system-based. It's stable, reliable, and strong. Think of it like this. Motivation says, I feel like studying today. Discipline says, I'll study anyway. The best learners in the world don't wait to feel motivated. They create a system and follow it every day. Let's look at a real-life example. Sarah, a university student, wanted to improve her English. At first, she studied only when she felt like it. After a month, she gave up. Then she decided to follow a simple rule. Every day at 8 p.m., 20 minutes of English listening. After 3 months, her English improved massively because of discipline, not motivation. Lesson 2. Build a small daily routine. Even 15 minutes of consistent effort beats 2 hours of random study. Let's go a little deeper. Inside your brain. Why do some people stay motivated every day, while others give up easily? The answer lies in psychology, how our mind reacts to rewards and progress. Number 1. Dopamine, the reward chemical. Every time you achieve something small, your brain releases dopamine, a feel-good hormone. That's why taking off a to-do list feels so satisfying. So, if you want to stay motivated, reward yourself. Finish one English lesson. Watch your favorite video. Complete a new word list. Celebrate it. Number 2. Positive reinforcement. Your brain repeats what feels good. So don't punish yourself for mistakes. Instead, appreciate your effort, even when progress is small. Number 3. Visualization. Close your eyes and imagine your future self speaking English confidently. Feel that moment, the freedom, the pride, the joy. That mental picture becomes your fuel on tough days. Number 4, self-talk. Your inner voice decides your motivation. Replace I can't do it with I'm learning and improving. Your brain believes what you tell it, so tell it something powerful. Now that we understand the science, let's learn the practical steps. Here are 7 proven ways to stay motivated in your learning journey every single day. 1. Set small daily goals. Break your big dream into daily mini tasks. Example, learn 5 words, listen to 1 podcast, or speak 10 sentences daily. 2. Track your progress. Use a notebook or app to mark what you complete each day. When you see your growth, you'll feel inspired to continue. 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Follow learning channels like Lesten&Learn. Connect with positive people and stay away from negativity. 4. Make learning fun. Watch movies, listen to songs, play games. Make learning enjoyable. Fun keeps motivation alive. 5. Reward yourself. After completing a goal, treat yourself. Maybe a snack, rest, or favorite show. Small rewards train your brain to stay consistent. 6. Learn from mistakes. Don't fear errors. Every mistake means progress, because failure is feedback, not the end. 7. Never break the chain. If you study for 10 minutes a day, mark an X on your calendar. Don't break the chain. That simple act keeps you consistent and proud. Success in learning doesn't come from doing everything once. It comes from doing small things daily. Now, my dear learner, look back at your journey. You've started learning. You've struggled, but you're still here, and that means you're growing. Staying motivated every day is not about being perfect. It's about showing up again and again, no matter what. Every word you learn, every video you watch, every sentence you practice, it's shaping your future self. So here's your mission from Listen and Learn. Find your why, build your routine, reward your effort, and never stop learning. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. Believe in yourself. Trust the process. And remember, motivation gets you started, but discipline takes you to success. If today's lesson inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Listen and Learn, where every word you learn brings you closer to your dream. Keep learning, keep growing, and as always, stay motivated, stay strong, and never stop believing in your power.